Hi there, my name is Letitia Pfinder and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing the Draw It Again challenge, and this picture you see here now is the original piece. And I first did this lovely little robot in 2014 for my very first Inktober. I've always loved this little guy, so I decided to redo him more true to my style now. If you read my blog post on Wednesday, and if not, I will link it down below in the description box for you. You read about my whole process with this. But I also talk about why you should do this challenge and how it is beneficial to you. It is a great way to see what you've improved on and what you still need to work on. For example, maybe your proportions have greatly improved, but you still need to work on your colors, so maybe how you apply them or your color combinations. It is also an awesome way to see how your style has progressed. You know, we all grow and change as people, but so does our art. Our art grows and changes, our style matures as we do, or not, I guess, depending on really what you're doing. For example, the first time I did this piece that you saw, it was all done in ink and pretty much black and white except for the red that was there. And that was pretty much what most of my work was like then. It wasn't very colorful. I did like darker things, and I still do, but I tend to add more color into my work now. Especially lighter colors, pastel colors. I like those kind of colors, or even I go a little more neon than I would have gone before. It's brighter. And the version that you're seeing me do now, I've used watercolor, and I've made the skyline colorful, more true to me now, obviously. I've colored the sky, and I've left the bold black ink and outlines for the shading and for just the robot. So it's not doing anything anywhere else. So these two things can boost your confidence as an artist and show you where you still need to go or what you still need to work on, and I think that is a great tool for you. It is also a lot of fun. I had a blast doing this challenge, and I really like how this little guy turned out, actually. I think he's looking a lot better these days. So if you would like to do the Draw It Again challenge, all you need to do is pick something that you've made. So I suggest something that is at least a year old, if not more, and all you have to do is recreate it. But recreate it in your current style and skill level. It doesn't have to be as close to the original as I did mine, because perhaps that's just not the way you would do it now. If the idea hadn't come to you before and it only came to you now, how would you do it now? And that's the challenge. So just have fun with it, and I would love to see what you guys come up with. Actually, let me know down below in the comments if you've done this challenge already or if you plan on doing it, because I'm certainly interested in knowing that, because I have a blast with these. And I try to do them as often as I can with different pieces, or I try to do them at least once a year just to see where I am. And also, be sure to click the link down below in the description box to sign up for my new emailing list, so you never miss a video or blog post again. And I have a lot of really awesome stuff coming up. I have courses that are going to be launching, so you can be the first to know about those. Also, tons of fun on my website and even here on YouTube. So if you go ahead and sign up now, you can grab your free gift for signing up. And right now, it's a guide on how to use your sketchbook effectively, and that will be delivered right to your inbox after you sign up. So there's nothing more you have to do for that. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, my creative friends.